Hey guys, welcome to TT's Home and Travel. I know this channel is not for cats, but we are new to the cat people family, I guess. And if you guys remember Coco from one of my other videos, she was trying to hide behind a little brick, and she's become a new mom. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness.
Oh, how many things is it?
Oh, she looking at me like I don't know her. Oh my, she's showing us all of them. Well.
I mean, well.
Oof, it is a lot.
No, look like her.
Is it a bobtail? Is it
Well, maybe
no
she
tail?
having them. Is that what she doing?
Is she? Is she still popping them out of there?
Shoot.
I believe so.
Oh my.
Nah, that ain't even interested.
Mm-mm.
Well, where do they come from?
Don't tell me. I don't know. Just look at that. Like little rats.
Are they alive? That one is, I see.
Yeah.
2, I see 3. Oh, she laying on some of them. My gosh.
Oh, shoot.
I don't know what to do. She might scratch me if I try to move in there and get some from under her.
They'll survive.
Oh my. Oh. They are so mean. We sorry for looking at you. She trying to scooch over so we can, yeah.
So you can see how many of them.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that. Look like 4 or 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look like 6 of them. But then I see 2 of them getting some eat. 3 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4 of them look like they're getting to eat. These 2 underneath her. Oh, she's laying. Yeah. I can't tell. We got new babies. Yeah, I can't see their tails, Mama. That one underneath is getting hurt down there, I think. She's a mowing, trying to meow, poor little thing. Yeah, back here in the back. Oh. Oh, I hear something. Is that the one in the back? She trying to get off of it. There you go. Push her from under there. You got it? You got your shoulder on. There you go. She's trying to get off of her. I don't know if that one is going to survive that there below. She trying to get off her. Oh, bless your heart. I'm scared to stick my hand down there. She's a mama. It looked like 6. That little one underneath, though, is having a rough go of it down there. That's true. Well, should I help her? Y'all, I'm scared to stick my hand down there. Don't try to help that one underneath. It looked like it.
I didn't see her in the little hero, so I looked over there and didn't see her over there in case I called her. She come here and looked over and I said, oh my God.
Here I feel and cat.
They run there trying to find a titty.
That one underneath cannot just quite get from under there.
Get on up there, honey, that. Look at that.
Do you need help, Kitty Pooh? Yeah. Should I try to help her? Am I gonna get scratched? There you go. You almost got from under there. She trying to get off of her. Oh, just squeeze it. Come on out. Is there? Oh my goodness. It's trying, Mama. He's stuck underneath. Oh. They don't have bobtails either, Mama. I see one tail over here. Ain't that a full tail? Yeah, that's a full tail. And I don't know. It look a little bit bobbed there, don't it? That is a bobtail. Sure is. Look at that. So nothing did get a hold of her. I thought something got a hold of her and took her tail off. This one over here is still struggling. Mama, you're going to have to get up off of him, little mama. These poor little two over here. Y'all going to have to get some bottles or something, don't y'all?
I don't
know how this is going to work. Look at that. I got to see you coming, Mama. There you go. Move on. Move off and over there.
Ain't big enough for you.
Oh, yeah.
She climbed up and never have babies. I know she ain't big enough.
Oh, she's squeezing it. She's squeezing it. Oh. You're squeezing it. Yeah. Yeah, she don't want me to touch. Okay, I'm gonna move back. I think she don't want me to. You're squishing one over here. You're squishing one.
You can't have no privacy, can you?
I know. I'm sorry. She's squishing it. Then maybe if I move back, she'll be able to roll over off of him because she is still that one and then got further lodged down in there now. Coming. Oh, good. There you go. I saw 6 of them. She might want to keep them up here. Something will snatch them up. Keep them up here like the baby birds. Keep them out of harm's way. Some road will come through here and get them.
They're trying to get up there to find that kitty.
Did that one get from underneath? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I still only see 5.
Coco, don't you look at me. So my father told us don't you look at her too. Now you know what it's like.
Oh yes, some got tails and some don't. See, this one right here got a tail.
Yeah.
They eating good now. Look at them.
They fighting over it. She lay down, try her back, and then she go in her stomach.
No.
And then she'll get it with them.
babies. Yeah, I see that one got a tail too. 2 of them I see got a tail.
Something had to be like her.
Yeah.
Like someone had a tail.
They do look like, the ones with tails do look like little rats. You gonna keep the ones with the tail or the without the tail?
Good God. He ain't got that one.
Oh my goodness.
He wanted to get suckers and they pick him out. She ain't gonna even look the same when she get up there.
Them hungry babies.
Mainly hungry. She cried, mama bear, her legs up and arms all stretched around like she hugging them. I don't see how you carried all of that.
I know.
So I kept telling that again. So you ready to know. Every day she up to because every day you get up and she get like she's bigger than she was the day before.
I think all of them got some now. See all 6 of them.
You so sick.
I think that's all 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know I counted 6 earlier. Where's number 6? Is it still up underneath there?
Coco, you know I'm mad at you. Until you rolled them eyes up here at me. Mad, we had 6 at one time.
My goodness. Look at you, mama. Look at you, little mama. I will.
You make she having babies. Got one around that one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It seemed like there's another one up underneath there. It seemed like I counted 6 earlier.
You don't know what you're gonna do with all of that.
I know.
You crazy across the yard going over there in case you get some snipes and all of them behind. You don't put pants up between mine when you get over there.
So they can't come back.
Yeah,
She can jump across, but they can't.
Well,
That one got a tail. I only see one so far that's got a bob. Maybe this one over here too. I know this one got a bob. I think maybe that one. These 3 right here in the middle don't. Got tails. Yeah, that one do got a bob. So two of them got bobs. Oh, he want one of the cats.
Jerry said he don't want that. You gotta pay for those things that you keep when you go on to an apartment.
Yeah.
Well, I ain't. I mean, Jerry said, I ain't. You'll see. Well, mama, you gotta rest now. You'll be up. See what you gonna do about eating now.
Y'all gonna have to bring it to her.
She'll know out there. You can run back in here and lay down and feed dinner. Guess you get up in there now, can't you?
How about that? Bless her heart.
Look at her hold.
Oh.
Don't look up here at me.
Coco, your mama's just mad at you, girl. Don't you get back out there in them streets and have no more. They hold it on. Sure do look like they got hands to the paws. Having them. I would have loved to have caught that on camera. I ain't never seen no such a thing.
She holding to it.
Yeah.
She nursing on that, don't you know it? I told you the kid I can't. Till now I wish I had.
I was telling Mama I got one around my house, but it's been spayed already. They clipped their ear when they spayed them. I found out. I noticed her ear was. I thought she had gotten in a fence or something, but yeah, I found out that they clipped their ear. I said, thank goodness, because it's a boy cat around there sniffing at her.
Trying to get up there to eat.
Probably not.
Coco, talking about getting rid of babies. Well, then get rid of me this year.
Or your babies. She could have got rid of a couple of them. It would have been okay.
Oh, yeah.
Shifting them around. Not happy. She's not happy. She got some grand kittens. Coco looking like you gonna take care of them too, right?
Last couple of days, she's been getting up in here when she wouldn't get up.
Oh, okay.
She started out with scraping on the together when she came.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I took the top off of her. She be laying in that. She's getting ready, right?
Yeah, yeah. March 22nd. All right, Coco. We're going to leave you be to your babies. We're going to leave you be to your babies. Bye. Congratulations on the babies. Oh, that's right. Yeah. Okay.